Have you ever known exactly what you needed to do, yet found yourself unable to take the very first step? You know you should leave a situation that is draining your life. You know you should make that difficult decision that you have been evading for so long. You know you need to change direction. You know what must be done. Yet months pass, years pass, and somehow you remain standing at the same place. If this has ever happened to you, then look carefully at this Katyayani, who's no other than Ma Shailaputri, the first Katyayani among the 9 Katyayanis guarding the outer walls of the Hirapur temple. Now, in the previous videos, we have seen that every other Katyayani is accompanied by number one, a female attendant who's holding an umbrella over their head. We have shown you in the previous videos. Number two, she's standing over the head of Raktabija. Number two, and number three, every Katyayani has a jackal and a dog on either side of her, whose position determines the role that she plays in the sadhak's life. Look carefully. Katyayani number one, Shailaputri. She's standing over the head of Raktabija. Like every Katyayani, she's standing over the head of Raktabija. But is there a female attendant holding any umbrella? No. Rather, here there are two male attendants who are holding drums. And what if I tell you this is very, very important? Why is this so? Because everything has a meaning. Ma Shailaputri does not represent the stage where the journey is already underway. She represents the moment where it begins. Now, what does this mean? See, if you know, before Ma Shailaputri was born, there was Mata Sati. When King Daksha publicly humiliated and insulted Lord Shiva, unable to bear the humiliation of her husband, Mata Sati immolated herself in the sacred sacrificial fire. Mata Sati was subsequently reborn as the daughter of King Himalaya and was named Mata Shailaputri. Shaila means stones, or in this case, mountains, and Mata Shailaputri means the daughter of the king of mountains. Now, see the situation from the point of view of Mata Sati for one moment. See, Mata Sati Lord Shiva completely, trusted her father completely, and then watched everything collapse in front of her. The humiliation, the rejection, and the destruction of her identity. During the fire sacrifice, Mata Sati did not simply die, an entire version of her died. And this is exactly where most of us get trapped. Not because we do not know what to do next, but because a part of us is still emotionally standing inside the fire of the last failure. That is why we delay decisions. We just have to burn that part down to ashes and get reborn. Because this stage is not about achievement, it is about regaining movement. My friend, the journey of transformation does not begin when you become powerful. It begins the moment you stop worshipping the memory of your last collapse. Are you ready to burn down your past self and be reborn as a new Shakti to face your challenges head on? Then begin with her Kripa mantra, which is Om Devi Shailaputriya Namaha. Ma Shailaputri rules over the root chakra, the Muladhara chakra, which represents the foundational start of your journey, stability, foundation, everything. She is also deeply associated with the moon or Chandra. The moon rules over our mind, our emotions, and our intuition. So, chanting Hakripa mantra during the time of procrastination will bring you emotional stability, balance, and mental peace, which is exactly what you need right now to come out of that vicious loop of procrastination. Do not let your past failures become your permanent identity. With her blessings, become fearless and take action right now. And after you take the first step, comment, I did. I'll see you soon in the next video.